Hello everyone, myself Rakimiti, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JDB Girls College. पढ़ेंगे एवोल्यूशन। ठीक है, उसमें लास्ट मैंने आपको बताया था सारा इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन के बारे में। आज हमारा है एवोल्यूशन। द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ ए कॉलम इज एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय द नंबर n of theoretical plates in the column or by the height equivalent of a theoretical plate HETP. The larger the number of theoretical plates or smaller the HETP, the more efficient the column is for separation. A theoretical plate is the distance on the column in which equilibrium is attained between the solute in the gas phase and the solute in the liquid phase. It is equivalent to one equilibrium stage in a distillation. From the elution curve, the number of theoretical plates in any column कैन बी कैलकुलेट। जैसे आपको फिगर में दे रखा है, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ थियोरेटिकल प्लेट्स के बारे में है। द डिस्टेंस डी फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ इंजेक्शंस टू पीक मैक्सिमम कैन बी मेजर्ड इन यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ, टाइम और वॉल्यूम एंड इज जनरली कॉल्ड द रिटेंशन वॉल्यूम वी आर। इसमें फिगर में आपका एच जो है इज़ द हाइट ऑफ पीक मैक्सिमम, डब्ल्यू इज़ द विड्थ ऑफ पीक मेजर्ड एज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द intersection of the tangents to the inflection points with the baseline. B is the width of peak at the height of h oblique E. T is the time lapse between the injections and the initial risk of the peak and return of the peak to baseline respectively, and the area is calculated as the height multiplied by the width of peak at one half of the height. तो ये आपका typical Venn diameter graph है। The number of theoretical plates give the efficiency of a column but does not give any information considering the effect of various parameters upon the efficiency. Taking into accounts the different mass transfer process contributing to peak broadening in the column. When Demeter derived the theoretical equation H to the sum of three terms as a function of linear gas velocity mu. तो h इज इक्वल टू 2 लैम्डा डी पी प्लस 2 लैम्डा डी जी अपॉन यू प्लस 8 अपॉन एन स्क्वायर के अपॉन 1 प्लस के स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर एफ अपॉन डी टी constant that involves the packing effect in the column and the practice diameter and is called the E body eddy diffusion term. B is a constant that includes the effect of diffusion in the gas phase and the correction for the tortuosity of the path and is called the molecular diffusion term. C is a constant that reflects the resistance to mass transfer between the gas and liquid. वेन डायमीटर का जो कर्व होता है वो इस तरीके का ऊपर दे रखा है आपको, टिपिकल वेन डायमीटर कर्व। It shows the effect of each term of equation on the relationship between the flow rate and the HETP. Retention volume. The incorrect or experimental retention volume for a chromatogram is given by VR is equal to TRFC. Here T is the time is minutes on the time axis from the point of injection to peak maximum and Fc is the volumetric flow rate in milliliters per minute. As already discussed, the retention volume is also related to the number of theoretical plates by the relations. VR is equal to NVH. VH is the effective plate volume. The relation of the effective plate volume to the partition coefficient is given by VH is equal to HAM plus PAS, where H is the height equivalent of the theoretical plate. AM is the cross-sectional area of the stationary phase. P is the partition coefficient. The VR is equal to NHAM plus PAS, या VM plus PVS, because NHA equals height times area of solute per ml substrate upon weight of solute per ml gas. Resolutions. The efficiency of the separation of components of a mixture is generally expressed as separation factor of the resolution between the peaks. It is also expressed in terms of distance of separation of the peak maximum and the width of phase using relation. R is equal to 2VR2 minus VR1 upon W2 plus W1 is equal to 2 TR1 minus TR1 upon W2 plus W1, where VR and TR represent the retention volume and retention time. The value of R in the figure is about 1.14. It should be kept in the mind that the value of R is equal to or greater than 1.5 indicates baseline or essentially complete resolution. ब्रांचेज ऑफ गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी. गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी की ब्रांचेज कौन कौन सी हैं? देयर आर ए नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट एनालिटिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स दैट इलिक्ट्स बिटवीन different aspects of gas chromatography. For this reason, modification of equipments has led to development of the distinct branch described in the following section. सबसे पहले आता है आपका मेजरमेंट यूज इन द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ पीक रिजोल्यूशन में तो डायग्राम है. पैक्ड कॉलम गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी. पैक्ड कॉलम गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी एज अ नेम implies involves the use of packed column with internal diameters of about 0.25 in. The tube may vary in length from 3 to 20 feet. This method, the workshop of gas liquid chromatography, is used for all forms of conventional organic molecular analysis, including both size allows accurate measurements. Samples of the order of 0.01 ml are usually analyzed. The resolution is reasonable but not excellent. The injection of a large quantity of sample permits the trapping of components as they emerge from the column. The trapped fraction can be positively identified by other methods such as IR, adsorption spectroscopy, UV, NMR, mass. The large sample size allows the use of all conventional detectors. Highly sensitivity detectors are not required and may be overloaded by these large quantities. To prevent overloading, it may be necessary to split the sample into two streams before the components reaches the detector. A large portion is thrown away and a small portion goes through the detector. The splitting is performed by sample splitter. The splitter separates off the bulk of the samples. In doing so, it allows a constant fraction of all samples to reach the detector. It is important that the fraction that reaches the detector be constant fraction of the sample. Otherwise, quantitative interpretation is impossible. Detectors that needs the protection of sample splitter is packed column gas chromatography, includes flames and electron capture detectors. The use of packed column permits many variations of substrate and support. The substrate can therefore be selected for the use at high or low temperature or for programmed temperature work. This type of column is therefore widely used for routine analysis. However, it has neither the higher resolutions of capillary column or nor the high sample capacity of preparative scale columns, each of which is are used in capillary column gas chromatography. The capillary columns, which may be several hundred feet long, are too thin and too long to pack with a support coated with a substrate. Usually, therefore, they are not packed. Instead, a liquid substrate coats the inside wall of the column. The smooth and packed interior considerably reduces a geometrical factor in the Venn diameter relationship and contributes to the high resolving power of the technique. In addition, the low pressure drop per unit length allows very long columns to be used. The inside wall of the capillary are coated with substrate by forcing the latter through the column under high pressure, a difficult operation that requires special equipments. In general, capillary columns are prepared by a manufacturer and are sold ready to use. Samples of the order of 1 μg are analyzed, but even these may require size reductions with a sample splitter to avoid swamping the detector. Because of the small sample size, highly sensitive detectors such as flame ionization or electron capture detector must be used for this branch of gas chromatography. This method is capable of high resolution. 10 to the power 5 theoretical plates on a single column is not uncommon. It is therefore excellent for multi-components mixtures, particularly if these are present in a small concentration. They might not be easily resolved or noticed in the presence of a large chromatography peaks generated by the major components in packed column chromatography. A example is the trace developed by the Milos novelty on the volatile components. The sample cannot be recovered after injections into these columns, particularly if destructive flames ionization detectors are used. Gas chromatography. Preparative scale gas chromatography is more important to the organic chemist than to analytical chemist. Packed columns are used with any suitable non-destructive detector. The system lacks high resolution, but mixture of components that are not difficult to separate can be separated on such columns. Relatively large samples can be handled with comparatively size. The components are usually trapped as they leave the columns, in which stage they are very pure. The analytical chemists use the trapped fraction for identification when the mixture's components are unknown. One of the most important use of preparative scales gas chromatography is in the preparation of the organic compound. By trapping the required fraction but not the other fractions, it is possible to within obtain a compound in very pure form. Thus, chemists need not to go through the indious steps of the multi-distillation or multi-crystallizations. Conversely, the other components which include the impurities may also be trapped and identified. Identification of side products in an organic reaction provides important information to the organic chemist regarding the mechanism of reactions. In analytical chemistry, preparative scales gas chromatography is used for trapping the components of a mixture of organic material and identifying each of them by methods such as IR adsorption spectroscopy, NMR, and mass. The analytical information is of great service to the chemist, chemical engineer, and pharmacist, to all the concerned with the manufacturers or research synthesis of some organic and inorganic compounds. All the preparative scales gas chromatography can be used to reveal the source of unwanted impurities. Commercial operations based on the preparative scale gas chromatography have been developed as a mean of making large quantity of highly pure compounds. Large columns up to several feet wide have been investigated, with encouraging results indicating that gross samples of many liters can be purified in way. These techniques can be used to provide a commercial source of very pure compounds that that hitherto have had to be prepared individually by the bench chemist. Compounds such as pharmaceutical drugs and fine chemistry produced by the preparative scale gas chromatography are purer, cheaper, and more readily available than those purified by other means. Program temperature gas chromatography. In order to obtain reducible analytical result, it is necessary to control the temperature of column very carefully. The temperature directly affects the tendency to organic compounds to enter the gas phase and therefore affects the K, the distribution coefficient. At low temperature, if the boiling point is high, the compound will spend most of its time in stationary phase and emerge from the column only after a prolonged time period. Under these circumstances, the GC peak is very much burdened and the data is very useful. तो टेम्परेचर को आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं वेपर प्रेशर से रीजनेबल सी हाई से. इसकी टिपिकल आपकी बहुत सारी गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी की जो एप्लीकेशंस है वो क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी एनालिसिस ऑफ लिक्विड गैस वेपर्स एंड पर्टिकुलरली ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. Any stable compounds that can be vaporized below 300 degrees centigrade can be determined by this method. It should be noted that the compound must be stable with respect to isomerization and decomposition. At this temperature or the method give anomalous results. Compounds that are unstable at this temperature that are volatile can be but must be resolved from each other as well as from other sample components. A linear calibration graph is prepared by plotting the ratio of the peaks area with the result from the spiked samples of the area of the unknown against the weight ratio of the added standards to the unknown. The weight of unknown is determined from the graph. Miscellaneous application में detections of the steroid drugs, analysis of foods. It is possible to analyze the dairy products. GLC finds a valid application of the drug analysis to use the pyrolysis. It is known as the inorganic compound, most widely non-volatile. Some most important examples of the environmental studies including separation and identification of पॉलीसाइक्लिक एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन। तो ये था आपका गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी का चैप्टर। ओके।